Hi everyone, Caroline here. We are going back to our roots. We are going back to the beginning, to the remembering of where we came from, who we are. Do you remember where you came from? Do you remember who you are? This is what I've been feeling really strongly within me, that there's a calling to go back to the roots, to the beginning. And it's almost like, even though we've been doing this work of awakening and we've spiraled higher and higher into the consciousness that we are, it's almost like we have reached a point where there's a calling to go back to the roots, to remember again who we are. And to me, it almost feels like we are being called to rise to a higher octave of something. Like we started at the beginning and we've been spiraling up. And then now we have reached this point where we now have to go back again to the beginning and remember. So, my question is, what are you remembering about yourself? What is your mission here? What is your purpose here? For most of us, the reason and the mission for why we are here is going to restart again. And because of that, some of us are being taken back to remembering how it all started for us, how we all came here. What was the call? What was the mission? What was the reason? What are your galactic aspects? Who are you as a starseed? What are your angelic aspects? Where did you come from? What do you remember? Do you remember anything from your dreams? Do you remember anything from spirit messages that ring true for you? Do you remember anything from your meditations? Do you remember anything from the Akashic records? Or was anything ever activated just by you reading a book or by you talking to someone and you having a remembrance of who you are? Who are you? Do you remember? This is where we are coming from. We are going to be calling in all our aspects because all these different aspects of us are coming back and we are re-embodying those aspects and we are merging with them and accepting them and becoming the full totality of the beings that we are. And perhaps some of you remember how during the times when we used to do shadow work, we used to do a lot of soul retrievals and we would call in aspects of our souls that we had lost when you were younger. It's almost like that aspect now, but on a higher active. Now we are calling in the galactic side of us, the angelic side of us, the founder being side of us, the resurrected side of us. Wherever you came from, wherever you remember, it doesn't matter where you came from. If you remember who you are and the reason why you are here, you are calling back those aspects of you and you are remembering your mission because all the qualities and all the gifts that you have are encoded within those aspects of you. We are not running away from these things. So remember who you are. And if you already have not remembered, take some time to meditate. Take some time to be in nature. Take some time to be within yourself. Ask for dreams to come through for you, to take you to a place where you remember or to bring information to you about who you remember. Dreams are really, really important. Things that come from within you, things that come through meditation, those are truly, truly important. Talk to nature, ask nature to speak to you, to remind you of who you are. It's really important to remember that we are going back to the roots. We are going back to the roots, and then now we are spiraling up higher on a new octave. It's a new day and it's a new you, and you have done the work. It is now a time for remembering because the spiral is going up higher. So, do you remember? Let me know in the comment section. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye.